Good morning, teacher. My name is Tambriz, and today I am going to present you this presentation for the final exam. And in this presentation, I will talk about patterns of inheritance. Incomplete dominance. The definition is occur when one allele is only partial dominant. As we can see in the image, there is a red flower and a white flower, but the result is a pink flower. Why? Because this pink flower take like part of the red flower and the white flower, and it combine it and create a new color that is pink, as we can see in the image. Codominance. The definition is occur when both alleles for a gene are expressed equal. As we can see in the image also, the offspring or the son or daughter has like a trait of his father that is blue, or is his mother, and a trait of his mother that is white. The offspring contains like the both traits of his father and mother. And also there is another dominance, that is the complete dominance. Is when the offspring contains like all the traits that have his father and don't contain any trait that has his mother, or vice versa, that contains all the traits that has his mother and do not contain any trait that has his father. Multiple alleles. Definition, which means that 3 or more possible alleles determine the trait. As we can see in the example that is in the image, we can like say there is, for fathers, there is a white rabbit and there is a black rabbit. We can see the complete dominance, that is the white rabbit. The results are for offsprings, that is the white rabbit, that is a complete dominance, and the black rabbit, that is also a complete dominance. A codominance, as we can see in the rabbit, that contains like the trait of his father and his mother, that is white, and the trait of his father, that is black. And finally we can see like the combination of the colors of their parents that are white and black, and it is transformed in the color of the last rabbit, as we can see, that is gray. Also, we have to remember that an organism can only contain 2 alleles for a gene, one from each parent. Inheritance and acquired traits. The inheritance, as we know, are the traits that we born with. We born with the parts of the body that help us to do things. Like we born with the tongue, with the in our hands. We have the fingers, and that help us a lot to do a lot of things. But the acquired traits are the skills that we learn to do. Like we learn to do how to use our fingers. Like we learn to use a pencil. Sorry. We learn a new language. We learn the language. We can learn the Spanish, English, Mandarin, or another language, that are acquired traits. Gene and environment. Environment factors can influence the way genes are expressed. We can see that a flower can grow by the help of the environment, by the help of the sunlight, the water, the rain, and the shadow. But without that things that give the environment to the flower can grow, and it's possible that it could die, and also affect us to the humans. Help us to the humans because the environment give us like the food, and we as humans we eat it. But if we don't eat that food, we can grow as the flower, and we can be strong. Also, the environment affect us by some skills. The environment give us some skills. Like in my case, I am good at drawing, or I am creativity. Both my father and my mother know that is a trait that I adopted from the environment.